Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate videos using Sora 2 in Higgsfield. So, as you can see, there is a Sora 2 trend section. And basically, here you can type your video idea or topic. You can either use use the TikTok format, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or YouTube. So type in your video idea or topic. You can adjust these settings here, the duration and stuff like that, and the style, the craziness. So let's do realistic, obviously. And then you're just going to add your prompt here. Preset is general. I think that's the general Sora 2 preset, and you're going to generate it. Unfortunately, I don't have any credits to show you guys, but that's how you can do it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.